how to change your email address on Squarespace. So this is super simple, but you have to have used an email address that you have access to. If we want to change our Squarespace email, then here I've just logged in and I've opened up my dashboard, and we want to hover over our name, left click on it, and you will be able to see profile, account, and security, all these options here. So I'm simply going to click on account and security here, and you should be able to see email address right in this section. If you don't see it here, then it is going to be located in the profile here. Now, why don't I have the email option here? That is because I'm using Google to log in into this account here on Squarespace. So I can't change the email address if I have used Google to log in into Squarespace. But if you have registered with an email address, then you should be able to find it right here or in the profile section. All you have to do is click on the email, and then it will take you through the steps of changing the email. And that's how you do it. It is super simple. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.